In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website using WordPress.com. Whether you're starting a new blog or sprucing up an existing site, this guide will help you tailor your WordPress theme to create a look that's uniquely yours. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, we need to access the WordPress dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage content, appearance, and settings for your site. Now, let's head over to the appearance section in the sidebar on the left. Click on Themes to see the available options for changing how your site looks. Themes are essentially the foundation for your site's design, and picking the right one is crucial for achieving the aesthetic you're aiming for. Next up is selecting and activating the Astra theme. Astra is a popular choice because it's lightweight, fast, and highly customizable, making it perfect for a wide range of website types. Once you locate Astra in the theme library, go ahead and click Activate to set it as your site's theme. With the Astra theme activated, it's time to personalize it to fit your style. Click on the Customize button, which opens up the customization panel. Here, you'll find various settings to adjust the appearance and functionality of your theme. While in the customization panel, focus on the header settings. The header is the top section of your website, and it often includes things like your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes contact information. Make your header stand out by enabling the transparent header option. Transparent headers can provide a sleek, modern look, especially if paired with a striking background, image, or color on your homepage. To take your design a step further, utilize Elementor for additional design customization. Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin that gives you greater flexibility to design pages without touching a line of code. With its intuitive drag and drop interface, you can customize each element of your page with ease, experimenting with different layouts, colors, and typography until you achieve the desired look. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a WordPress site that's visually appealing and entirely tailored to your needs. Remember, the key to a remarkable website is not just its design, but also ensuring it provides a smooth user experience. Feel free to explore other settings and features to further enhance your site. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.